Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automatically transfer data from Google Sheets to Airtable using n8n, a powerful open source automation tool that you can use. So at first let's see a quick demo. Watch this. With just one click, all my customer data from Google Sheets to instantly appears in Airtable. No manual copy pasting, no errors, completely automated. Here's my Google Sheet with 5 customers, and here's the same data in Airtable perfectly transferred with all the fields matched correctly. Just see this. It's a demo actually. So today we'll make a completely new automation from scratch. At first let's set Google Sheets. We will use get rows in sheet, and we will connect our Google account. See, my account is already connected on n8n, so I got this. I choose the document and then the sheet. That's it. So let's do Airtable. We will use create a record option. Then I will add my Airtable account from list. This is my project here. And table will use customers. This is the row I am using. This box will add here, and in the name section we'll add the name. In email section we'll add drag and drop here, and in phone section we'll drag and drop this. That's it. And we will wait for a couple of minutes. See, and save the project and execute it. See, this is how you connect Google Sheets to Airtable with n8n.